In this video, I'm gonna teach you a very useful tutorial on how to type Euro symbol on any Windows 11 keyboard. So without any further ado, let's begin. First of all, you need to bring up your notepad. The moment you have opened it, please navigate to your physical keyboard or at the built-in keyboard that you are having. Okay? So basically, you would be able to see your keyboard like this. Okay, and there you can see a number that is being placed here at the upper side and a number that's being placed here at the right side. And the number keys that we are going to use on is the number keys that is being placed here at the right side and not this one. Okay. So again, don't use this on-screen keyboard because I'm just showing you exactly the keys that you are going to press on. Okay. So we need to use our physical or built-in keyboard. Okay. So in order to type a Euro symbol, all you need to do is you need to press the Alt key here that is being placed here at the left side and not this one. Press Alt key and go with 0, 1, 2, 8. Okay? Again, press and hold Alt key and type for 0, 1, 2, 8. In that way, you'll be able to type your symbol. Okay? So let's press it. Alt key and then 0, 1, 2, 8. And there we have that we have just successfully typed a euro symbol here in your Windows 11. Again, for the last time, press Alt key, then 0, 1, 2, 8. Okay, press and hold it, and then type for 0, 1, 2, 8. In that way, you'd be able to type a euro symbol. Okay, Alt key, press and hold it, then type for 0, 1, 2, 8. Then release that. In that way, you'd be able to type a euro symbol here in your Windows 11. Okay. So that's it. If you think this video had helped you a lot, then don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching and have a good day, everyone.